I'm Mike Strickland. I've been working on iSPAN since probably 2003. Presently, I'm a consultant for them, and I'm developing a floor system for their next generation. The reason for starting iSPAN Systems was to try and simplify cold form steel framing. In about 1998, I started building a summer home with my family. We built it with C-shapes, and it was what a learning experience. I learned that, hey, there was no connections, there was very few details. It was a horrendous job trying to put this thing together. And through the whole process, I kept saying, hey, there's got to be a simpler way to do this.
I had a good feeling about, right from the start, that the product would do well. And combining that deck with a joist makes it a very economical and efficient system. There isn't much out there right now that would compete with this product.
I went through 2 iterations on iSPAN. The first iteration was a 3-piece joist, but I wanted to take another bash at this thing, and I had a new design for the joist. I wanted to do it with 1 piece versus the 3-piece that we started with. And I went to a friend of mine, Walter Copelair, the president and chairman of Walters Inc., and proposed something to him, and we joined forces and started iSPAN Systems.
The main problem we were trying to solve was to bring in a product in cold form steel that was very easy for the customer to use, and particularly the installer. So not only did we want a product that was technologically superior, but we also wanted a product that was great for all the trades. So great for the installing trade, but also great for any follow-up trades that would come after it, such as mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and that. So really, I think the biggest challenge and the biggest thing we were trying to solve was having a trade-friendly solution.
What are we going to do here in terms of rebranding, and so that we can tell people how great this joist is? I mean, now we had vibration mitigation, we had great acoustic results, we had amazing fire result, we had connections that made it easier to install. Hey, we had all these great things, so hey, we needed to communicate this to the market and to our customers. We needed to rebrand this thing. TotalJoist was the name that came about, and hey, it is the TotalJoist. It has everything, and that's how the brand came about.